Hello, Honors Algebra. How you guys doing? Just wanted to get you a checklist video for the week. What you guys are going to be working on this week are the Algebra EOC prep questions four, but I want you to watch the video on part three from last week, see how you did. And I know that one there was one problem in there, but probably was a bit tricky, so you definitely want to check that out, see how to solve that, okay? Um, and then we're going to be working on difference of squares and perfect square trinomials. Those are kind of just like some special cases for factoring. And yeah, we're almost done with factoring. I think we've got one more little thing, but I wanted to get in a quick knowledge check, kind of like a mini quiz, see how you guys are doing with factoring, okay? So what you're going to have this week are the notes from difference of squares, you're going to have the algebra EOC questions, and then we're going to do like a mini quiz, okay? So on factoring. So really only three things this week. I'm not going to have you do an Alex assignment because I'm making you do this quiz. It's like 10 questions, but I did the first one for you guys. So you got three things this week, okay? If you need help on any of them, please let me know, okay? You guys are doing a great job. We're almost to the end of the year. Keep up the good work, and I will see you guys next time. All right, bye.